This is a 2013 Volkswagen Touareg, a vehicle with safety, comfort, and space. It has a 3.0-liter six-cylinder engine and an automatic transmission. Its top features include a navigation system, a rear-view camera, keyless ignition, a sunroof, a low tire pressure indicator, satellite radio, a turbocharger, traction control and stability control systems, aluminum wheels, and high-intensity discharge headlights. The following features are also included: memory settings for the seat's positions so you can recall your favorite alignment with the push of one button, dual power seats, cruise control, a premium sound system, leather seats, an illuminated driver's side vanity mirror, rear seat child-proof door locks, air conditioning with automatic climate control, a pass-through rear seat, and this vehicle has fewer than 17,000 miles on the odometer. Contact us today to arrange your test drive.